How do you like this property, Bhagyashree?
Oh, it is wonderful. There is greenery everywhere. It is so peaceful.
Why are you having so much accent in your English? What do you think of this girl's accent?
Puneri accent.
We're just roaming in around this area.
Enjoy.
And I have come with these people. So we are here for 31st party. It is very quiet. Good nature. Around this is a property.
Full sanitized property, man.
Yes, full sanitized property as they are mentioned. So they are walking behind me. And this is just the beach in front of it. We are going to have a walk in the evening. Look at this wonderful view. This is the property where we are staying today for 31st party. This is the owner's house. I might plan a bike ride from Pune till here. It will be an adventure and then a peaceful evening right in front of the beach. This is the bar they had built. They might start it in the evening. Let's see. These are the cottages at the back, and we are staying at the couple cottage there in the front, which is right bang opposite to the beach. It's a wonderful place to just chill even if you are not going on the beach. And you can see they are clicking some more pictures there. You see, that's what they are doing. So they found a cobra in their house. How do you feel by finding cobra in your house?
I'm scared. Go back.
Yes, you have to be scared. There's a very big reason to be scared. I don't think this guy is scared of snakes. He looks like a snake hunter. And this is our cottages where we are staying today. And just right in front of the cottage,
There's a beach.
yeah, there's a beach, exactly the way I like it. With this setting sun, I hope all the troubles you had get done with this sunset. All the struggles you had get done with this sunset. I wish everyone a great, prosperous, happy, wonderful New Year 2021. I hope everyone gets their fair share. Everyone get their fruit of the hard work. Everybody have good times. Let's hope some bad memories of 2020 are setting with this sunset of 2020, the last sunset of 2020. Cheers to everyone. So the sun has set. The last sunset of 2020 is done. Now we are preparing for the party. Yeah, we are going to have a very casual party here. We are just going to decorate these tables and chairs, and these are cottages with some balloons. Yeah, we are trying to make a bonfire. and let's see how this goes. So these are our night scenes for 31st party. It is going to be very quiet one, but an interesting one. So this is a table full of games which we are going to play now. Some snacks here, and these are the gifts for the games. We got some party poppers for the countdown at 12 o'clock, and this is the cake topper, which will be cake sparkle, and then some balloons here and there. Here
Hi,
is
guys.
Altaf, and he is responsible for this fire. So this is day 2, guys. So we are planning to stay more here for one more day. We changed our mind because anyways I am a beach person, so if you pick me and throw me on any of the beach, I can stay there for my whole life. So these people are responsible for such a wonderful service they are giving, and such delicious food which we are eating here. Cheers to everyone. Happy New Year. So let them enjoy their own time, please. Yeah, so now we are going to walk through this way, I guess. This way, right?
This is something like it goes deep inside a village over there. It's a roadway till there.
So we are going to show you some nice flowers here. The plantation here is really great. I loved it. I just wanted to let everyone know that the videos might be a bit shaky because I'm not using any gimbal right now. I'm planning to buy one. Let's see. So
Totally depend on you guys.
yes,
If you like
Yeah.
our video and if you want us to explore more,
love, share, support, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll show you some more awesome places. Just like the name of my channel says, beaches versus mountains. So we are going to show you some more beautiful places, and this is one of the just local place which we found to be very interesting.